Hello everyone, today we are learning a new function in Excel. Let's see the problem that we have. Let's suppose we have a panel data containing like the years and the countries. This country, like for example, I want to make this country in one column, the whole record in one column, then it can be followed by the next row. Also, I transport it into the same column. So the first country, the second country, all the same column. All right. So I'm taking row by row to make them one column. In the row we have the years, the countries here. Let's see what function can solve this problem. This function is called index. The index has three parameters. The first one is the array, and then the rows, the columns. The array is the panel data that we have. So we select the data that we have. All right. We start. This is E. So we start from E5. This is the first cell. Then we contain the whole cells from E to BM, from E5 to BM. Let's see which one. The end of countries are 270. All right. Then we go to the next parameter. The next parameter is telling me the rows. What are the rows? All right. We have the rows here are the countries, but it's not good to get them in this form. So we transform them into numbers. So 1, 2. This is the first country. 1, 2, second, and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Also here the years is starting from 1960 to 2021. Also we transform them into 1, 2, the base year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. All right. So we go to the transfer data. The second one is the rows. This is the first one. We select the panel data. Then the second one is the rows. So here's the countries that has been transferred from the name into the number, into a number. So this is the second parameter. The third one is the years, which are the columns. Here are the columns. One column, second column. The columns here in our data set is the years. So I also choose the years, also from 1 to 61 years. All right. Choose this one. All right. So we are done. Okay. Here we choose here I add something here which is not good. So the third one is this one. Okay. He also added the page, but it's not necessarily some. But since we first started with the previous page, so he also added the page title in each parameter. Okay. So the panel data, the rows, and the third one is the second one is the rows, and the third one is the columns. Okay. I have 0. Then if I drag it down, let me check. The first one from E5 to 270, okay, it's all good. B3 and D3. Then the second one, it should be B4 and D4, and this should remain the same. But what happened is he moved down the panel data from 6 to 271, which I don't want that. Yes, this is perfect, but this one is not good. What should I do? I go to the first one and I fix this one by adding the dollar sign. Is the money sign, okay, for the E and the 5, so it cannot move, it cannot change if I drag down. For the BM also 270. Okay, so I add this one so that it cannot change through the cells. So this will change, but this one not. Okay, press OK. So I have 0. Let me check. The second one is the first, second. See, this one hasn't changed, but these are changing. If I drag down, so I have the same values that are here. Here are the resulted column. Have the year country by country. The second is the first country. Till here is the first country. Then started the second country with the years 1, 2, 3, like till reach the 61. Alright, this is for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.